Hi, boys and girls. This is lesson 10 in Our World Social Studies. So you'll need your packet in a minute. I'm going to read this book to you first, called My Place in the World. You are one of the billions of people that live on planet Earth. Each person has a special place in the world. Where we live and the families that we live with help to shape who we are. Let's take a look at where we live. Each of us have a place that we live in, a home. Not all homes are the same. There are houses, apartments, and many other kinds of homes that people can live in. Down here it just says home. Your home is in a town or a city. Do you know the name of your city that you live in? Houston. So we have our home and the city we live in. Your city or town is in a state. Do you know what state you live in? I hope you all said Texas. Our home, our city, and our state. This would be Houston, and this would be Texas. They've just chosen California as a sample. Your state is a part of a country. Do you know what country you live in? Our home, the city of Houston, our state is Texas, and the country we live in is the USA, United States of America. Your country is part of a continent. Do you know what continent you live on? Anybody remember? North America. So we have our home in the city of Houston, the state of Texas, the country of the United States of America, the continent of North America. Your continent is part of the world. Here's our home in the city of Houston, in the state of Texas, in the country of the United States of America, on the continent of North America, on our world called Earth. Each of us have a special and unique place in the world. All right, so in your packet of Our World, and Mrs. Sweeney already started on this, you're going to go to the very back page, and you have a circle, and the circle, they want you to draw and color in our Earth. It would be like you're flying over the Earth and seeing the land and the water from far away. And down at the bottom, our home is in a town or city. Yes, everybody's home is in a town or city. All people live on the same planet. Yes, we live on Earth. Whether you live in Asia or Europe or South America, we all live on the Earth. All right, and then we have a sheet that I have put in your packet, and you want to put your name in this spot, and it's going to say Mrs. Sweeney's place in the world, or your name's place in the world. You're going to draw your home and trace over the word home. I live in a home. You might draw an apartment if you live in an apartment, or a farm if you live on a farm. This is my address. You can put the number of your house on there. Now, following the arrows, I live in a city. And we said we live in Houston. So we've got a lot of big buildings. And that city is, I live in a state called Texas. And then the next bigger thing we live in is our country. I live in a country called USA. And going back this way, we're following the arrows. I live on a continent. That is North America. And can you guess what the last picture is? I live on planet Earth. Very good. So you're following the arrows. This is your place in the world. And everybody has a special place in the world. All right, color those in and take your time and make them pretty. And I will see you for the social studies lesson tomorrow or the next day. Bye-bye. Thank you.